Hi, we're Marissa and Nick. Back in 2014, we started traveling part-time together and haven't looked back. When we're not filming music videos or documenting wedding days, you can find us on adventures across the globe.
Woo! Did you get an attack?
I don't know. Exploring new places, attending all of the music festivals, and documenting love stories around the world is what we do. Why keep that a secret? Welcome to I Just Want to Travel. Guys, welcome to the vlog. This is going to be a short, simple vlog. Nick and I are staying at Disney's Port Orleans Riverside, and we were hoping to show you around a little bit. Inside our room right now, so I'm going to give you a quick room tour, and then I think today we might just spend the day at the resort. I know we have dinner reservations later for one of the restaurants that's here around like 6 o'clock, but the grounds itself are super beautiful. Okay, so we're inside our hotel room, and they're the same as most other resorts. We're kind of learning that as this is our third one. You come into the room, you beep in with your magic band, and then you have some beds, you have a table to sit at, you have your entertainment center area, which says welcome for our family, which is one of my favorite parts ever. And then of course is the bathroom down here. The bathrooms are all the same. They're just kind of themed to what the resort is itself. So this is very like Bayou, Riverside, Louisiana kind of type of feel. So yeah, you got your sink, you got your separate bathroom. You have the floors, which are the best part because after a park day, you just take your shoes off and you step on them, and it's amazing. But these are all Princess Tiana themed rooms. Ugh. Which is kind of cool. I didn't know that they were Princess Tiana themed rooms, but I guess they would be because we're in basically Louisiana right now. So each resort has a like general store. This is called Fulton's General Store. We went in and look around. Every time I go to a resort, I get a pin, so I got the Riverside pin, but I had to get this one too because we all would rather be at Disney. We have a few more minutes to like mosey around the park, the resort before dinner, so let's go look around. Horsey. I feel like I haven't had a good meal in a long time, and that was so good. I wish I could have eaten so much more. Nick got the jambalaya, and it was so good. It reminded me of my mom's jambalaya. It was just so perfect. And I got this, like, they call it a buffet to the table. I don't remember the name of it, but it's like the buffet version. So you get a bunch of different stuff on a plate. I got mac and cheese and mashed potatoes, and I devoured those. Almost asked for more, but didn't. Then there was ribs. There was some other meat on it. I don't know what it was, but I ate that, and that was good. And there was Cajun chicken, and then there was like I think, what is it? Not sausage, but kielbasa, and then some corn. But I was so full, so I couldn't ask for more, which is fine. But it was so good, and I would if I could. But the cream of the crop, the best thing of the night, although it was all just so good, but the cornbread, I think we ate 2 loaves, right?
Yes.
Too many loaves of cornbread.
Too many?
not too many. I almost asked for...
You just said too many?
I said too many.
Mini.
Oh. Too many. Too many. I almost asked for another loaf home, but then I felt weird, so I didn't. I don't know why people don't talk about this place, but this was a good place to go. It's the... I'm so bad with name, guys. It's the Boardwalk something. It is one of the restaurants in the main area. Very good. You should go there. Even if you're not staying at Port Orleans Riverside, it's a good one, especially if you want some Louisiana style food. Guys, so good. So yeah, that's basically this resort. Super short, simple. Yeah, I love staying at Disney resorts. I'm in my little element right now. Okay, I'm just rambling at this point, so I'm gonna end the vlog here because tomorrow we have a full day in the parks. We're doing 4 parks, 1 day, and honestly, I'm a little nervous about it, but I'm not gonna talk about that here. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, thumbs up button, comment, subscribe to the channel. Let me know what your favorite resort is. We haven't stayed at the same one. This is now our 3rd one. And just, yeah, let me know which one you like, and I'll see you in another vlog. Bye.